Hello everyone, I am Md.M. I hope you guys are fine and doing well at home. So today we'll continue our video of the poem A Legend of Northland. So first let me recite the stanzas. Then up she went through the chimney, never speaking a word, and out of the top flew a woodpecker, for she was changed to a bird. She had a scarlet cap on her head, and that was left the same, but all the rest of her clothes were burned black as a coal in the flame. And every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood where she lives in the tree till this very day, boring and boring for food. So before I may proceed, let me write the meaning of difficult words. So your first word is चिमनी का मतलब तो आप लोग जानते ही होंगे, scarlet. Bright red. Flame, fire in the heart. Fire in the heart. Next one is your this very day. Today. So first one is your scarlet, means bright red, flame means fire in the heart, this very day means today. So now let us go through the description. So after St. Peter's curse, the little woman went up through the chimney without uttering a single word and changed into a woodpecker. जब किसने उसे कर्स दिया, श्राप दिया, सेंट पीटर ने, उसके बाद वो कुछ बोल नहीं सकी. ठीक है, वो चिमनी के थ्रू गई और बिना कुछ बोले ही, और किस चीज में बदल गई वो? She changed into a woodpecker. As she went up the chimney, all her clothes were burnt in the fire. और जब वो चिमनी से बाहर निकली तो उसके सारे कपड़े क्या हो चुके थे? जल चुके थे उस आग में. She turned black as coal, as her red cap was all that remained on her head. तो उसका पूरा बॉडी भी जो हो चुका था, वो कैसा हो चुका था? It was black as coal, and there was just one thing, that was the scarlet. Just because at that time she was wearing red cap, so that red cap it still remained on her head. This was the red plumage of the woodpecker. Since then she has been seen in the forest where she lives by boring and boring the dry wood in search of food. तब से आज तक वो कहाँ है? उस जंगल में ही रह रही है. और जो स्कूल बॉय जो होते हैं, ठीक है, उस एरिया के, वो उसे आज भी देखते हैं कि वो क्या कर रही है. That she is boring and boring in the hard dry wood in order to extract food from it. So guys, this is the end of your chapter. So देखो, इसका जो एक morals जो है, what is that? That is, we should never be too greedy, ठीक है, or mean. We must, just because we are human beings, it is our prime responsibility to help the needy people, to help the people whoever is in need, ठीक है ना. And we should not be selfish. We must think about the people. If God has given us something, then we must part it with someone else whoever is in need. We should not only store everything for ourselves. We must participate in charitable work as much as we can, because believe me, it will give you immense pleasure if you'll part something of yours with someone else. तब तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा? You will get the like immense pleasure. So thank you very much and take care of yourself.